The joys of paddleboard ownership. Last time out, I found a hole in the paddleboard that needs to be patched. Let's get it done. Items that we're going to be using: a PVC patch, cleaning cloth, cleaner, PVC glue, a brush for the glue, some sandpaper to scuff stuff up, and a set of scissors in order to cut the patch down to size. Take sandpaper and scuff up the area that is going to need to be patched. This will give the glue something to adhere to. We'll be using some acetone cleaner in the area, which will get any of the contaminants off the board. No sharp edges on your patches. Also going to scuff the bottom of the patch so that it has a better adhesion. Clean the patch. Let them dry. Always read the directions on your glue. This is a PVC inflatable boat adhesive. Crack it open. Directions said to apply 2 thin coats. So we shall apply thin coat on both surfaces. This stuff acts like a contact cement, so we are going to brush them on. Make sure it covers the area that we have the patch for. all the way to the edge. And direction says wait 20 minutes and add a second coat. 20 minutes has passed. We are back to add a second thin layer on both the patch and the board. Once again, make sure you got good coverage for where that patch is going to go. Squeeze any air that you got in the tube out and seal it up. Time has passed on the clock and it's time to put the patches together. Squish any air out of it. Push, 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 push. And then the directions on this glue says apply as much weight as possible. So then I am going to try to balance some weights on top of where the hole was at and let it sit. We'll see how that does here in a little while. Final patch, all corners are nailed down. I see no high spots, so now we'll need to inflate it and try it in a day or two. That was a pretty easy fix once I got the proper glue in order to stick the two PVC pieces together. So keep it in your toolkit because you'll need it too. 48 hours later, we have got our patch in place. We have inflated the board to about 14-15 pounds. Now we're going to spray with some soapy water to see if we have any bubbles. I see no bubbles forming, so I believe our patch is working. I'm going to leave the board inflated for today and make sure that it stays inflated, and that way I'll know if I do have a leak or not.